Hello everyone, this is SG from Tips XNP. Today in this episode I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10 in a very easiest way possible. Windows has become the most popular operating system with over 1 billion active users running it, and it continues getting better and better by updating, refinements, new visuals and more control over updatings. The May 2020 update has improved many features of Windows 10 like desktop search, Cortana, Linux support, virtual desktop, and many more features. Here in this session, I will show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive which can be used to install Windows 10 in any computer. In this method, we are using the media creation tool provided by Microsoft itself, which is of course free of cost to download and use. The tool has some advantages like optimized file formats for downloads, speed, built-in media creation purpose for USB drives, etc. Before starting, please make sure that you have a blank USB flash drive of at least 8 GB, a good internet connection to download the image, and sufficient data storage available on your computer. Once you have all these requirements, we can start. So we'll start by downloading the media creation tool from Microsoft. For that, click any of internet browser you want. In my case, I'm gonna open Google Chrome over here and type for google.com, and here go for media creation tool, which will bring you the result of Microsoft.com. Click on the first result over here and it will bring you on this page. Don't worry, if you don't want to bother by following all these steps, then you can simply click on the link that I have provided on the description of this video to download this file. And once you are here, don't worry about the language. I will change it from French to English. And here click for download tool now, which will download the Windows media creation tool. And once downloaded, click on open. It will ask you the administrator rights. Click on yes. Once done, it will ask you to wait for some time until it gathers the required information. So you can close the browser, and I want to make sure that you have at least 8 GB of USB drive available to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10. Now here, it's asking you to accept the license agreement. Click accept. And here in this page, it will ask you either you're going to upgrading your computer or you're going to create an installation media. So I'm going to create the installation media for this video purpose. So select the second option and click next. Here you can modify the language setting, edition setting and architecture setting for your Windows 10 bootable device. So just choose the language you want and choose the edition of Windows 10. After that, go for your architecture, which means if you have a older computer, then this might not be the 64-bit. So my computer is a recent one, so I'm going to use 64-bit of Windows 10. Click on 64-bit and next. Here it will ask you either you're going to choose USB flash drive or ISO image. So obviously, I'm gonna choose USB flash drive, then click next. Here it is showing us that there is not any USB flash drive available on this computer. So let's plug in the USB. And once you plugged in, here you go. You can close this and click on refresh drive list. It will detect automatically the USB you have just plugged in, and it is selected automatically. Hit next. Now the media creation tool will start downloading the image. So we just wait until the procedure completes. As you can see here, the tool has now finished copying the necessary file and the USB flash drive is ready to deploy. This is a very basic way to make a bootable flash drive and might be helpful for anyone. I'll try to make some series of videos on the topic and will put it on the playlist on my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm really hoping that this video helped you. If so, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. This will keep me motivating to make other videos. If you want me to make a video on a topic you want, then let me know on the comment of this video. I'll be working to bring you guys with another video. Till then, bye bye.